Girls! Actually, I'm here sa Gulf Mall and I'm looking for shoes for my work. I will use it at work. So, I just go around and check if there's a good deal. So, I saw this shop and they have a very good deal. So, girls, check this out. I will show you. This shop, actually the shoes is made from Brazil. So let's go and check this out. Oh, nice. Ito din, 69.
69.
Cute. Ito din. $69 din yan. Ito yung ano, 69. 69 real. Cute. Ay, ito pa ang cute. So, 99 siya. So, this is the size. Size
This is the size
41, 39,
38,
37. Tapos may pang kids din. Okay. So, ito naman is, this is Rio brand. So, Rio brand is from
Brazil.
Brazil. Made of Brazil.
Cute yan.
Oo, ang ganda nito. Parang ano, Valentino.
55, magiging
645.
325 na lang.
Now, 325.
25.
Oh my God, bongga. Tommy Hilfiger, authentic. Ito, how much? 600 lang ito. 645.
Magiging 323.
Now, for only 323. Tommy Hilfiger, authentic. At saka this. Oo nga. So, okay. CK. So, ganun din yung price niya.
Price mo.
Oo.
Before and after.
Oo, yung before and after.
Ito,
So, ito ay
745.
745.
Magiging 373. 373 na lang.
373 na lang.
Mhm.
So what are you waiting for? Yalla, come and visit!